Alright, I'm pretty excited right now. Stop goofing around and I put my like pizza stone inside the oven and then like let it preheat to like 500. So I just put one in and it's almost done. See, like it looks done. It's starting like the cheese is starting to brown, and you know the light doesn't do it much justice. You have to kind of look at it with your eyes. I'm about to take it out. Yeah, that went absolutely terrible. That went so miserably bad, but gonna wait and see until this one's done. But the other one looked pretty good. Yeah, that's not bad. I don't have all of my like tools, shall I say. I'll show y'all. So typically I use like an olive oil bottle, which I have one, but we don't have any olive oil, so like that'll have to come. Typically I have like a pizza, I don't even know what it's called, but basically I would be able to like slide it off, but right now I'm just using like this pan to put it on and then trying to like kind of put it on there. But the thing is that the pepperoni made the pizza so heavy because I used a different flour and the stretch was amazing, but like when the stretch is so good like that and I had already pre-portioned it, it's not a thick pizza, so they're pretty thin, just like this one. But I mean, it looks great. We're getting a lot of good bubbles. Can't wait to cut into it.